Hello everyone, this is Mario from Canon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful La Speciale Lucca espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to descale the steamer boiler and the brew boiler. It took us quite a lot to descale both of those, but we were able to successfully descale them, and now they are working excellent. Steamer has an amazing pressure, as well as the brew boiler has a nice flow coming out from the portafilter. So we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine out, starting with 1 shot of espresso. We are using our Elite Bianca grinder, so hopefully it's the right settings for this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And as you can see, it's dripping just a little bit coming out from the bottomless basket. I probably use a bit more coffee than I should have. It's going to actually channel through the portafilter as it goes, but it's going to be a little bit over extracted. As you can see, the coffee is channeling through the portafilter and it's coming out more on a single stream. There you go. Machine was able to brew the shot. We got good crema coming out of that shot of espresso. Even though we didn't have a good flow and it was a little bit extracted, this is still a good shot with crema. As you can see, shower screen definitely working the way it's supposed to. Nice gentle stream coming out from the brew pit. And hot water, as you see, nice and hot and excellent flow. So there you have it, the Speciale Lucca working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.